Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Portuguese sangria step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need fresh fruits such as oranges, lemons, and apples. A good quality red wine, preferably Portuguese, is key. Also, have brandy, orange juice, and a sweetener like sugar ready. Finally, grab a large pitcher and a stirring spoon to begin our delightful journey. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the fruits. Begin by washing all your fruits thoroughly to ensure they are clean. Next, carefully slice one orange and one lemon into thin, elegant rounds. Then, core and dice one apple into small, manageable, bite-sized pieces. You can also get creative and add other fruits like peaches or berries for extra flavor and color. With our fruits prepared, it's time to mix everything together. First, gently combine all the sliced fruits in your large pitcher. Next, pour in 1 full bottle of your chosen chilled red wine. Then, add 1/2 cup of brandy to give your sangria a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of sugar until well combined. Almost ready to enjoy. For the best taste, refrigerate your sangria for at least 2 hours. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a harmonious blend. When serving, pour the sangria over ice in individual glasses. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice. Cheers to your homemade Portuguese sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.